Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the EFOTIML Dyson replacement air filter, and this is I got off Amazon. I will leave a link down below in the description. And today's video I'm going to compare this aftermarket to the OEM Dyson model. So this is the V15 right here, but this company does sell a variety of different Dyson air filters. So not only for this specific model, but for other ones too. So again, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. However, let's go ahead and open up this one right here. Okay. And I'm pulling it out. And we can see right here, let's see the differences between the rubber and quality. Okay, so straight off the bat, you can see there's some design. Looks like the OEM one has a different type of design here as opposed to the aftermarket. Rubber, it looks like, let me go ahead and put it apples to apples. You can see right here, there's that clip. Looks like the rubber gasket, everything looks the same. Wow. Just gonna put it sideways here. Yeah, even the, let's see, the thickness, the height, it's all OEM. Wow, that's amazing, guys. Yeah, straight 1-to-1. Yeah, only the design of it I see right here is different than this other one. But let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna plug it in and see. Let's see how it fits, how it goes in right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the aftermarket one right in. Sorry for that. All right, so the aftermarket's right in there, fits right in, flush. Let's go ahead and press the button here and see how it goes. Oh yeah, that's perfect. It really is good. Guys, this is great. This is really cheap too. I think I got 3-pack for like 20 bucks. So really good price for aftermarket. And by the way, the Dyson one, now you don't even get a 3-pack, you get a 1-pack for like 30 bucks. So the OEM ones are more expensive, but the aftermarket ones now, same performance, same everything, for much cheaper and better value. So I'll leave a link down below in the description. Thank you for watching. Press the like button if this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them below. Happy to answer them. And with that said, subscribe for new videos and see you guys in the next one.